and welcome to my baking show. Today I'll be baking Chesse Dogs 2.0. Well, more like 4.0. This is going to be my fourth time making it, but this is the second time I'm recording it. The other time I was practicing behind cameras because I want to get better. The first video didn't look as good as I thought it would, but I'm trying new ideas. So this is just a time lapse of me putting ingredients in. Of course, stir mode for 15 minutes. Now put towels on it, put it in a warm place, and wait like an hour to an hour 30 minutes. An hour have passed. I got my dough. Gotta put it down. Gotta stir on stir mode for 5 minutes to get the bubbles out. Yeah, I was kind of tired. There we go. Come on, put it on. It's not that hard. Come on. Okay. There we go. Lift it up. Stir mode for 5 minutes. Whoa. Now I'm cleaning the counter. Like I said, I do clean my counter. I just don't record every time. I record this time though. Gotta sprinkle with some bread flour. Nicely. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkles. Very nice, very nice. Now I gotta put the dough down. Kind of sticky this time, so gotta tap it. Look at that. Beautiful dough. Gonna use this to cut into 16 pieces. Look at that. I try to use the silicone mold. I want to see how it turns out. And here I am cleaning the counter. And this is, I put some cheese and some tomato sauce on it. Poured it in for 350 for 16 minutes. But wait a second, I forgot my parsley. How can I forget my favorite green part of this? And here's the finishing product. And not the best like last time. I post my pictures on Instagram, so you can check that out down below. Bye bye.